In this video, I am going to show you how to create a community on WhatsApp Business. A WhatsApp Business community is a unified place where users can host multiple group chats under the same roof. Admins can do the following to keep their WhatsApp communities active and customers engaged. They can post latest announcements, conduct polls to collect customers' feedback, inviting new users through QR codes, managing multiple admins, and sharing large media files. In other words, a WhatsApp community is a dedicated, centralized page for D2C brands where your target customers can join upon request, discuss specific topics related to your offerings, and add new potential users. It is key to building a loyal customer brand. You can create a WhatsApp community with up to 100 groups. Community announcements will be automatically created for your community. This is a space where community admins can send messages to all the community members. To create one, go to the Communities tab. Tap New Community and get started. Enter the community name. You can also add your own description and a community icon. Name limit is 100 characters, and your description should provide members an idea of what your community is about. You can add a community icon by tapping Add Photo. You can use camera, gallery, emoji, and stickers, or search web to add your own image. Once set, the icon will appear next to the community in the Chats tab. Tap the check mark when you finish. You can only add up to 2,000 members to the new and existing communities and community announcement. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.